Hello, here's a really simple tip to stop slugs getting at your plants that are in pots. You can do it in the ground as well, because you can sink a pot into the ground and plant something. You can use the same method, but this is mostly for pot plants. So I'll show you how to do it. So preferably you want something that you can stick this. It's what I'm using is a copper tape, and you want something that it'll be able to stick to. It'll stick to most things, even wood. Concrete, you might have a bit of a job, but ideally something like ceramic or something. Now, don't put it right up at the top, because what you don't want is for some leaves to come down and bridge and create a bridge over the top of the tape. So keep it about halfway down, and there's less chance of getting any foliage bridging the tape. So what I like to do is get a pencil and just roughly use your finger just to hold it in place, and roughly mark a line around your pot. It just gives you a guideline to work to. Then get the self-adhesive tape. Now you can get this on, well, I got this from Amazon, but there's you can get it on eBay or wherever else. But just Google copper self-adhesive copper tape. Start it off on the line. You don't have to be too fussy about this. It doesn't have to be super neat. In fact, I'll tell you what, let's go, just to make it a bit easier, let's go around the pot, just overlap it slightly, tear it off, and then we're not trying to control that roll as well. And then just peel the tape back and follow that, try and follow that line. As I say, it doesn't have to be too neat, and with the shape of the pot it's not, oops, I've just broken it there. It's a little bit thin, this stuff. Stick it back on. Yeah, because of the shape of the pot, it's gonna have a few creases and things in it. And just follow it all the way around. A bit fiddly. If you do mess it up, you just put a bit more tape on it. It's fine. And then meet up with the other one. As long as it's a complete band all the way around, it'll work. And the slugs will want to get at the plant. They'll crawl up here, and they won't crawl over the copper tape. I don't know what it is, but they hate the stuff, so they won't crawl over that. Get your compost into the pot and plant your plant. Yeah, so fill it up with compost, put your plant in, make sure there's no foliage hanging over, and make sure that the compost is free from slugs. We don't want any slugs in the compost when you put it in, because that defeats the object. So use use it from a new bag of compost or whatever. And there you go. And it's as simple as that, and that will stop, guaranteed, it will stop slugs from getting up there and into your pot. And I'll show you an example with and without. So here we've got a couple of pots of dahlias, and dahlias are particularly bad with the slug damage, but you can see it's been on there a while. It's the second year that it's been on, this tape, and it's still okay, and it's still stopping the slugs, and we've got little or no damage on there. And likewise, the sun's a bit bright here, likewise on this plant, it's got the tape on there about halfway down, and it stops the slugs from getting into the pot. If we just pop down here, I'll show you an example of what it's like without the tape. Now this is something that we tried, and I tried putting some chicken wire, because we'd heard that that they don't like to go around this, but these were planted at the same time as those others, and you can see these are just doing nothing. They've been eaten, there's no foliage on them, and they're just not growing properly, and that's all down to the lack of the copper band around it. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you would subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll be bringing some more tips and tricks to the channel in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.